Hey guys, it's Vivian. Oh my goodness, where has this week gone? And yes, I am that person who will wear red after Christmas. I was putting away Christmas decorations the other day and I just could not believe it was already over. But oh my goodness, where is the time flying? Oh my God. Today what we're going to go ahead and do is we are going to go ahead and do tightlining on the eye. Now, what tightlining is it basically, it makes your eyelashes look fuller. And to close that gap that sometimes shows up when you use eyeliner, this is the one that I always use, which is the Tom Ford eyeliner, when you use it on the top, and then you have that annoying gap that is between the bottom and the top. So now that we have our top eyeliner on, we're going to go ahead and do tightlining. Now what tightlining is you are going to line the bottom inside the waterline of the top of your eye. Now for this, you want to go ahead and use a soft and creamy eyeliner, not something that is going to be as sharp as this. So for that, what I like to go ahead and use is called Earth, and it's from Chantecaille, and it's going to basically get rid of the gap that we have between the top eyeliner and the bottom end of the eye. Nobody looks cute eyelining their eye, but we're going to work with it. So we're just smudging that in the inside top half of the eye, because since we have darkened both the bottom and the top of the eye, it makes it a lot more uniformed, and also it keeps it from having that gap between the top and the bottom portion of your eyelash. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna curl our lashes. I know this looks barbaric, but we curl them, give them a few pumps. And now what we're going to go ahead and do is mascara. The one that I like to put on first is from Essence. It's called the I Love Extreme Volume Mascara. Now, I like this mascara because it's actually not very expensive. So it is very affordable. A lot of the Essence products really are affordable. So I like to give my eyelashes a good coat of this mascara first. Give them a good coat, and this mascara is actually very good because it barely smudges, and it does not actually come off until you actually take it off, and it's not waterproof, but somehow it just stays on all day. The second mascara that I'm gonna go ahead and use today is called Diorshow. Now the brush on this mascara, it literally will separate each and every one of your eyelashes. So it's gonna give you that fanned effect. It gives you like a false lash effect, but without having to put on false lashes. Now also when I'm doing my mascara, I also like to add just a little bit to the bottom lashes as well, just to even it out and make it look full and thick. And that's it. That is the final look, and that is how we tightline our eyes for a full lash look, and to close that little gap in between the bottom and the top lash. And thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Don't forget, give a thumbs up to my channel, And thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Thank you very much.